Trade I took. This life. At first, I took a particular trade today. Um, I'm in a very noisy environment, so I don't know if it's going to affect my video. But nevertheless, I need to post something. I need to post something. So this is a particular trade I traded today, and we're already in profit, guys. We're already in profit. So I then closing at this point because I think I'm okay with the profit that I've already gotten. Yes. Then I'm going to give you guys another thing that really shocked me today. Yes, this was a particular trade I took. Yeah, I usually I go to my trading view to analyze. I go to my trading view. This was where I took this was where I took the trade, and it's already in our TP already. It's just close to our TP. This is where I intend taking my TP. It's already close to my TP, and I will tell you guys what I saw in the market what I saw in the market before taking this particular trade. So in time coming, I will just give you with little time. I will just give you a little breakdown of what I saw before taking this particular trade. So my network is bad because it's a place where I do work. I do work in a site, so the network here is bad. So the thing is, all these things will happen. I'm consistent, as you can see, I'm consistent. I'm trading with a minimal risk. Yes, but immediately I start maybe buying my own account or funding my own account, as if all the village people in the world will just get out of my head and start, you know. But it is well. I still know that there is progress, and I still know that there is progress. So as far as there is progress, I think we are going to make something out of it. So I think I'll close now. Let's this my network. Yes, I think I'll close now. I'll close now, guys, because yes, I'm closing out. I'm closing out. I'm closing out. So I'm at work environment. It's a little bit noisy, but you guys just have to manage it that way. I'm closing out. Closing out. I'm closing out, guys. Okay, so this is a trade I took. I will explain to you the strategy I used and the reason why I entered the trade. So see you.
So guys, in this particular video I made about the trade I entered today. So um I was at workplace and I saw a particular opportunity and I hopped into it. So let me give you guys the breakdown of the analysis and why I entered that particular trade as of that time I did. So watching from this part here. So watch from this part. What I do is that um I usually trade one section or two section sometimes. It's just what I notice in the market. So I noticed that around maybe 8 to 12 o'clock, I usually don't trade. Do you know the reason why? Sure, I know most of the things I said I don't can usually change overnight. That's why I said, guys, be flexible. So anything you have to react to the market, anything that consistently work for you, you keep doing it. Don't give up. Yes. So the reason why I took that particular trade was something. Now, if you watch at this place, if you watch at this down part here, if you watch at this, if you look at this down, if you look at this down part, okay, let me move this thing. If you look at this down part here, this part here, you see the time. As of that time, it was 9:30. So, and if we keep moving, you will see that from 9:30 to 11, 12. Just if you can watch the candle, if you can watch what the candle is saying. Let me just zoom out on this particular thread. Let me zoom out. So from here, you notice that from this place, from uh, from 9 o'clock, it was bullish. It was continuously bullish up to this place 12 o'clock. So since I trade the overlap section, which is the interlap between London and New York section, so I I just need to wait till that particular time, then look for a kind of a confirmation or a reversal, then enter my trade. Now, what confirmed my entry was just a simple thing. It was just because of this that I want to explain. Now, if you watch immediately, it is 12. If you look at this down play, you see 20, you see 20. If you look down here, you see 226, 7, 7, 12, 45. So it was not yet time. Then it was just consolidate. If you look at the market over here, this point was just consolidating until it got to my until it got to 1 o'clock. So immediately it is 1 o'clock. I usually go to the chart to see what's going on in the market. Now, what was going on as of that time was what I saw was going on in the market as of that time. This is the 15 minutes. I went down to the 5 minutes and boom. As you can see in this place here, if you look at this place, let me keep this camera to the downside so you can see it properly. As you can see in area, this particular area, there was a consolidation for a whole time. Now, price was making a kind of a W pattern. Price was making a kind of a W pattern like this, like this, like this, like this, and it will move up. That's how price move. Yes, so that's how price move. So immediately, what I saw was price was not able to break this particular area. Price broke it and immediately fell back down to this place, which is what a bad sign. Not actually a bad sign, shall not actually a bad sign. It actually show a sign of reversal because immediately there is a liquidity sweep. I always use this concept, liquidity sweep. And yes, so yeah, there was a liquidity sweep here and it moved down to this particular place. Let me change the candle bearing down. Let me make it blue, make it a little bit wider. So immediately it got here, then I noticed price was about to change direction. Now all I needed was a confirmation. Immediately price got to this area, all I needed was a confirmation. So I have to go to my 1 minute time frame. So I was just waiting for a retest. Trust me, this was pure analysis. I was just waiting for a retest of these points. As you can see, I drew a zone before. I was just waiting for price to retest, and immediately price retest, it started pushing down. So my aim was times two of what it gives me, what it swept at this point. So um, let's go back to the 5 minutes so that zoom it's clearer. Yeah, I took profit at this point. I took profit at this point here. I took profit at this particular point. That was where I took profit. I took profit, guys. I took profit there, guys. So at that point, that was where I took profit. And as you can see the trade, let me show you the trade. This was the trade I took. This was the trade I took today. Okay, which is yesterday. This is my chart history. Okay, this was the trade I took. So if you look at the up one, actually this is my demo account because I actually blew my life account. Yes, but I keep doing my strategy so that I don't lose. I don't go back or mhm. So that I keep testing my knowledge. This was actually the trade I took, and it has not been bad actually. Yeah, so that's it. That was how I was able to catch this trade. And if we go to our trading view, let me show you this particular chart on our trading view. Let me show you the particular chart on our trading view. On our trading view. I don't know if it will load. Let me just show you now on our trading view what happened there.